I have had so much fun filming over 40 videos on the Husqvarna Viking Embroidery S600, a overlock machine and a cover stitch machine all in one. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and that's what we do. I take something out of the box and then do a video on every page of the manual, so they're short and sweet. But here I want to talk about some additional online courses that are going to help you tremendously. And you're going to find them over at Craftsy. I have a serger class with Craftsy on their platform, but there is a handful of other ones I highly recommend, including 2 of them dedicated to cover stitch. So if you know you're not using this machine or your own serger to its fullest, check the links below to some of our favorite Craftsy classes that I guarantee are going to take you to the next level. You have purchased this machine. You have invested money in a fabulous piece of technology that I want you to use to its fullest. And those classes, I guarantee, are going to be your answer to learning more about this machine. Yes, we have helped you learn lots of the stitches and what they can do. Those classes are going to help you integrate the techniques that you're going to need for your own projects. So I hope you'll check those out. Again, links are below, and check out all the videos, over 40 of them, that we have done on this serger. So it's time for me to move this serger out and start our next machine. And that's what I do, filming free video tutorials on machine after machine. Happy serging, everyone.